How to edit sent messages in Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to edit sent messages in Facebook Messenger. You've sent a message in Facebook Messenger and realized there's a typo, or maybe you just want to rephrase something. Messenger now lets you edit messages you've already sent. So to edit message in Messenger, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Navigate to the conversation where you sent the message you want to edit. I'll send a new message to edit it. Tap and hold on the message you want to edit. This will bring up a menu with several options. Tap More with 3 dots. This will bring up another menu with several options. Tap on Edit and your message will become editable. Here you can make any changes you need, fix typos, add missing information, or completely rewrite the message. Once you're happy with your changes, simply tap the checkmark icon to save your edits. The edited message will be sent, replacing the original one in the chat history. Remember, you can only edit messages within 15 minutes of sending them. After that window closes, that's it. By following these steps, now you know how to edit message in Messenger. And this is how to edit message in Messenger. If you have any questions about edit sent message in Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.